500 families with 5 children, each how many families would be expected to have 3 boys first one, second 5 girls, third either 2 or 3 boys, fourth one at most 2 girls by assuming probabilities for boys and girls to be equal. So here we have to start the solution by taking the equal distribution. So how? So let us write P is equal to, write the solution. P is equal to probability of having a boy. Probability of having a boy. So equal distribution means 1 by 2. And Q we can take it as a probability of having a girl. Having a girl. So Q means 1 minus P. So 1 minus Q, sorry, 1 minus P value is 1 by 2. So we get Q also 1 by 2. And N they have given 5 children. N is 5. So let us start writing the binomial distribution probability function, that is P of x is equal to NCX P power x Q power N minus x. So that is equal to N is 5, C x we write as it is 1 by 2 whole power 5, again 1 by 2 5 minus x. So when base are same, we can add or subtract the power. So 1 by 2, sorry, here we get x. 1 by 2 x plus 5 minus x. So x will get cancelled. 1 by 2 power 5. 5cx. 1 by 2 power 5 value is 1 by 32 into 5cx. Now they have given f of x is equal to 800 into p of x. So 800 divided by 32 into 5cx. So here 32 25s are. So we get 800. So write 25 5cx. This is our f of x. Now come back for the first term. There are 3 boys, means x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to 25 into 5c3. So here 25 into 5c3 value is 10. So we get 250. Now second one I write here only 5 girls. So n is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 5. So f of 5 is equal to 25 into 5c5. 25. Next, sixth one, either 2 or 3. Before only I told in the probability if we get r, or means you have to add. So here f of 2 plus f of 3. Either 2 or 3 boys means f of 2 plus f of 3. That is equal to 25 5c2 plus 25 5c3. Correct? 500. Next comes fourth one. Fourth one, they have given the condition at most two girls by assuming the probabilities for boys and girls to be equal. So here we have to write the condition at most two girls means families can have, write the condition, families can have five boys and 0 girls. So at most means they may have or they may not. So 5 boys, 0 girls, 4 boys and 1 girl, because they have given each family 5 children. So 4 plus 1, 5, or 3 boys and 2 girls. 3 boys and 2 girls. So here they asked at most 2 girls. So there may be a 0 girl in the one family, or 1 girl, or maybe a 2 girls. So or means again f of 5 plus again f of 4 plus f of 3. At most 2 girls means there may only we consider the boys, then we will get the value for girls also. F of 5, 4, 3. Now 25, 5C5, 25, 5C4, 25, 25, 5C3. Already they have given at most 2 girls, so we will take only the boys count. So 5 boys, 0 girls there may be, or 4 boys, 1 girl. They asked for at most 2 girls means 3 boys and 2 girls. There is 400. Yes. An airline and airline airline knows that 5% of the people 5% of the people making reservations making reservations on a certain flight on a certain flight will not turn up will not turn up. Consequently, their policy is to sell 52 tickets 52 tickets for a flight that can only hold 50 people that can only hold 50 people. What is the probability that there will be a seat for every passengers who turns up, who turns up. Means here they have given 5%. 5% people who making reservation on a certain flight, they may cancel the reservation. Means they will not turn up, means they may cancel the reservation. In a flight, there is a policy that the airline can sell 52 tickets, but the flight is having only 50 people. The flight can only hold 50 people. So what is the probability? There will be a seat for every passenger who turns up. Suppose if 52 tickets they have sale, but the flight can only 50 people. So if every passenger who reserved the ticket who will come to the flight, what is the probability of particular seat we have to find out. So first here we consider the probability that a passenger, that we can call it as a P, that a passenger will not turn up, means will not come, will not turn up. The probability is P is equal to 5%, means 5 divided by 100. So we can write it as a 0.05. So Q value is equal to 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 0.05, 0.95. Now let X be the number of passengers who will not turn up, number of passengers who will not turn up, who will not turn up. So here let us write the probability function. P of x is equal to NCX. Here n value is, what is our n value? 52 tickets, means here n should be 52. NCX here 0.05 whole power x 0.95, here 52, n is 52 minus x. So here also you can write, wait a minute, you can write the formula. Yes, here just I write NCX P power x Q power n minus x. Now we can write 52CX 0.05x again 0.95, 52 minus x. Here they ask what is the probability for every passenger. So here we can write a seat is assured for every passenger, for every passenger who turns up, means who will come for the, who are all coming in the flight. If the number of passengers, if the number of passengers who fail to turn up, means there may be a chances of cancelling the reservation, is more than or equal to 2, because A flight can hold only a 50 people. Means the flight is having only 50 seats, but they will sell in the airline, they will sell a ticket of 52. So there may be a chances the passengers equal to 2 or more than 2. They may cancel their reservations. So here what we have to do, P of x greater than or equal to 2. So 1 minus P of x less than 2. So here 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1. So 1 minus of. So 52C 0, 0.05 whole power 0, 0.95 whole power 52. Again plus 52C1 into 0.05 whole power 1, 0.95, 52 minus 1 is 51. 5405. Yes, try to solve this question. I just display the whiteboard.